Hi guys, looking for the best Xiaomi drone in 2025? Let us check out the top 5 models you can buy right now and see which one fits your needs. Number 1. Mijia M6. This lightweight foldable drone features an 8K FPV camera and a powerful brushless motor for smooth flights. It includes obstacle avoidance for safer flying and offers up to 18 minutes of flight time. The drone has a 3,000-meter control range and supports 5G Wi-Fi for real-time video transmission. It's perfect for both beginners and pros looking for quality aerial footage. Number 2. Mijia V198. The versatile Mijia V198 shoots in 8K, 6K, and 4K video with laser obstacle avoidance and GPS navigation for stable flights. It has omnidirectional sensors and a quiet brushless motor to ensure smooth operation. With a foldable design, it's easy to carry and offers up to 25 minutes of flight time on a single charge. This drone is ideal for those wanting both portability and performance. Number 3. A14 Pro Max. Designed for professionals, the A14 Pro Max features dual 8K cameras along with GPS-based obstacle avoidance and optical flow stabilization. A built-in spotlight allows night and low-light shooting. The brushless motor operates quietly, and 5G Wi-Fi ensures smooth, real-time image transmission. This drone excels in delivering high-quality footage in various conditions. Number 4. Mijia V198 Max. The professional-grade Mijia V198 Max features an advanced 8K camera with laser obstacle avoidance and omnidirectional sensing. It includes GPS navigation and FPV operation for precise control. Powered by a strong 3,000 mAh battery, it offers up to 25 minutes of flight time. This drone is built for serious aerial photography enthusiasts. Number 5. S156. Compact yet powerful, the S156 comes with an 8K Ultra HD camera, visual obstacle avoidance, and propeller guards for added safety. GPS positioning keeps it stable during flight, while the brushless motor offers quiet, reliable propulsion. It can fly for up to 20 minutes on a single charge. This model is great for users who want a safe and steady flying experience. These were the top 5 best Xiaomi drones for 2025, each packed with unique features to help you capture stunning aerial shots. Whether you're a beginner or a professional filmmaker, there's a Xiaomi drone here for you. Thanks for watching.